Alright, today I was going to run on a 3S battery with a 4S gear and put my throttle at 50% and just kind of do some crawling and stuff, or try to do some crawling, but it's kind of impossible. Got over some rocks and some logs and stuff and did some hill climbs. It was a lot of fun, at least. So yeah, it's not really a crawler, that's for sure. See me kicking up the hill? Alright, I don't want to gab too much on the video, so I'll just let her run. The Lazernut did pretty good going up hills with those soft tires. Yeah, going slow, it worked pretty well. Except for I get caught in a ditch, but that's okay. The Lazernut seems to stay pretty flat in the air without a rear tire on it. It doesn't like going with logs though. Yeah, I guess it does. I don't know. Oh! Get out of my way, I'm gonna push it. Alright, let me test it out on this rock. There, not very good. It really gets hung up in the sand with these tires for some reason. I guess they're more for climbing rocks and stuff. It kind of chews up any kind of branches that are around. That's really well on that. Yeah, I beat it pretty hard. I mean, I keep beating on it, both of them. And I don't know, maybe eventually the diffs might go out, but you know, we'll see. I think I already showed this rock challenge here, but I use two cameras, so sometimes I get mixed up and from a different angle, you know. Just a short video, really. But it did climb good with those tires. You can hear my footsteps behind it. I don't know what these people are doing around here, but in the weeds it's like a rubber axe. Rubber. Arrows, axes, all kinds of stuff out here. Probably for the Renaissance or something. So far on this Lazernut, I've had just two breakages. One would be the rear suspension arm broke on the left-hand side, and the LED lights got knocked out on two of them. They're just not making contact. If you pull back on them a little bit, they start to light up, which is kind of funny. But bad connection inside, I guess. Anyways, just running like a champ, though. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I think this is where I broke my rear suspension arm when I crashed against the wall. Bam, right there.